G'day guys, how you going? Hope you're doing well. I'm going to draw Rain from Stumble Guys. Let's start with the head. Just going to bring a rounded rectangle, or it's almost an egg shape, like so, for the head. Now I'm just going to bring one shoulder out this way, and then the neck and the other shoulder out the other way. It comes out. Very similar to my bolt drawing. Comes up and around, down, and then you see the front of the foot, like so. And then bring the leg up to there and a line across. Now let's work out where the chest is going to be. It lines up with the side of the head. So bring this line, come down, and then it forms the knee. And this is the leg that comes out and then down, and then you see the side of the boot like this. And there's the side of the boot, and then we've got the other arm back like this. Then we have two eyes that are oval shaped. 1, 2.